All right, this is a play along video for Bye Bye Love. We're doing a boom chukka, a strum pattern in our right hand. Here's the pattern. So I'm going flick, down, up, flick, down, up, flick, down, up, flick with my fingernails. Flick, down, up, flick, catching that G. Another idea is to use the thumb to catch that G string and then just go down like this. Thumb, down, thumb, down, thumb, down, thumb. Or you can just go down, 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 or down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just stay in the pocket. And the embellishments that we're using is your choice, is to slide that G form to an F sharp form on the fourth beat. And looking at the verse, let me just show you the embellishments in the verse. Here there goes my baby. I'm sliding that D7 with someone new. Sliding the G on the fourth beat. He sure looks happy. Slide, I sure am blue. G7. He was my baby. Here's our C embellishment. Till she stepped in. Goodbye to romance that might have been. So, I got a hairball in my throat. So, there are some options for you. Here's our beat. We're doing kind of a rockabilly. It's a shuffle. And we're at 1:30. Starting note is C. Bye bye love. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Bye bye love. Bye bye happiness. Hello loneliness. I think I'm gonna cry. Bye bye love. Bye bye sweet caress. Hello emptiness. I feel like I could die. Bye my love, goodbye. There goes my baby with someone new. He sure looks happy. I sure am blue. He was my baby till she stepped in. A goodbye to romance that might have been. Chorus 2. Bye bye love. Bye bye happiness. Hello loneliness. I think I'm gonna cry. Bye bye love. Bye bye sweet caress. Hello emptiness. I feel like I could die. Bye bye my love, goodbye. I'm through with romance. I'm through with love. I'm through with counting the stars.